37 rides built on the side of an actual ski mountain. This is Camelbeach, the largest outdoor water park in Pennsylvania, and today we are riding all of it, full POV. The brand new rival racer, 60-foot drops, the wave pool, all of it. Near the end, I will show you how we got it completely free while everyone at the gate paid $50 a person. Let's go.
Guys, we are at the largest water park in Pennsylvania. This is Camelbeach and we are at Camelback Resort. So it's time to head inside, check in and explore the water slides. Go a little bit fun.
So let's get started with a high noon typhoon here at Camelbeach outdoor water park. First ride of the day, high noon typhoon, the giant funnel. You swing up the walls like a pendulum and your stomach says at the top.
What about today?
That one looks very scary.
This one is scary? Hold tight, okay? Whoa! You don't know where you're going. Hey, ready? Excited? It was fun, right? Look at me. You wanna go single?
That was crazy. I'm gonna do it again.
Next on the list, the double header, the Sidewinder and the Twister. The Sidewinder whips you side to side while the Twister turn after turn after turn after turn, and when you just think that you got the rhythm, it flips the direction on you.
Look screaming. Look at Mommy! Look, eyes again. Hello.
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
We have to do it one more time, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Riptide,
I think it's a Sidewinder.
No, riptide.
Because the color is red.
Yeah, one is Twister. Okay.
I think we.
Let's get up. Yeah. Yes. Go. Thank you.
No problem.
Whoa, you can sound Caleb. It's so easy, right? Almost there. Yeah, hold me. Say it. You have fun?
Yeah. We're gonna get you from up there.
Oh yeah, let's see. Let's go. this one.
We're almost there.
So be prepared to walk. It's a long walk, right? For every ride you have to walk.
Well, this one we have to walk the longest.
Yeah. This is the...
Titan.
I don't know what is this. What is this?
The Titan, like I just said.
What is...
We're almost there. It took... The line's so long.
Ready? Can you do this? Our turn.
How many?
Two.
Alright.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah, how do you do it? Going down. Oh, that's fun, right? Let's see to do this. It's not even like...
Are you filming?
Yeah,
Good!
you can scream if you want.
Try not to scream in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Hey, go, go, go! This is not nothing. Have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Was it fun? Did you love it? Wow.
Now I want to go. We are in the biggest water park in Pennsylvania.
And what is it?
No idea.
It's in
Oh, Camelback.
Resort.
Camelback Beach. This is Camelback Beach. Daddy, the line's so long.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. We're going to Runner and after Twister, right?
So guys, we are at the biggest outdoor water park in Pennsylvania, Camelbeach at Camelback Resort, and it's time for another 2 rides, Dune Runner and the SandStorm.
Yeah. Ready? Whoa! Also, you're facing downwards, right? Oh! Fun?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
And you got the GoPro, so you're personally prepared for this. Alright, hold on to the handles throughout the whole ride. Do not let go until you see the level go at the bottom. Other than that, have fun and enjoy the ride.
Go! Yeah, you can scream out. Whoa! It's gonna push you down, all the way down. Whoa! Now you go down, okay? Don't be scared. Scream, scream. Yay! It was fun, right? Having fun? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. We're there. Whoa! It was fun, right? Get the headphone. Rival racer. Wait, we are on the way for the rival racer. Kendo.
Yeah.
Huh? We're gonna win. Rival racer? Of course, Daddy. Be careful. Let's see.
Alright, on my mark, you guys are gonna go. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Hello, Kendo. Hello, Kendo. Hey, you might have been started late. Did you start a little bit
Lay
late?
down.
It's going on.
2.
Sure.
Go right next to them, shoulder to shoulder, all the way down. How many y'all got? 2. That would mean there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join that one. All right.
What happened?
Now the escalation starts. Triple Venom is 3 enclosed slides. 1 fast, 1 twisty, and 1 total darkness. I tried all 3. The dark one is the scariest because you cannot see a single turn coming. Time for the spin cycle. They launch you into a giant ball and spin you around like water going down a drain, faster and faster until it drops you out the middle.
Ready? Yay! Whoa! Whoa! This is simple. Can you do one more time? Wait, stop. That's fine, you can go. Whoa! This one you have to go sing off. Oh, zip line.
So guys, we are at the Camelbeach at Camelback Resort, and we are trying almost all the slides here in Camelbeach, and it's time for the Vortex. Just beside the Vortex and the spin cycle is the floor rider. It's a soft simulator. Watch this video at Camelback Resort at Camelbeach. It's so much fun. Feel free to try it. Guys, once again we are inside the largest outdoor water park here in Pennsylvania at Camelbeach in Camelback Resort. And after all that, you have on this Kahuna Lagoon, the wave pool and the lazy river, the floating with the entire Poconos mountains in front of you. No indoor water park on earth gives you this view. We ended the day here, and honestly the perfect call. Okay, let's talk about the free tickets as promised. Here is what nobody tells you. This water park is not included with your hotel room. Tickets at the gate are about $50 per person and we paid zero. The trick? When you book your room on Camelback's website, pick the package called 2 Parks 1 Stay. That's it. The tickets show up in your email and it's free for 4 person. 2 things to know: the free tickets only work on weekdays, Monday through Friday, and before you drive up, check your confirmation email. It has to say 2 Park 1 Stay. And if it says anything else, you didn't get the tickets. That one line saved us $150. Quick tips before the ranking: lockers are $50 to $30, cheaper on weekdays. Bring a card or a phone. The park doesn't take cash. If the thunderstorm rolls in, the ride's pause. It's a mountain, just wait it out. Long lines. There is an express pass for 6 biggest slides. The park is only open mid-June through Labor Day, and the best tip of all, get here right at opening. We had a big slides almost to ourselves for the first hour. Once again, before we sign out, this is Camelbeach at Camelback Resort, the largest outdoor water park in Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until then, thank you. You have a good day. Bye bye.